Hi, I'm Eileen. Welcome to Get Creative at Home, brought to you by the Newburgh Free Library. Today, we're going to be making garden markers. What you'll need are some markers, some white plastic spoons, a paintbrush or a sponge or sponge brush, whatever you might have, and some paint and painter's tape. Okay, what you'll do is peel off a piece of the painter's tape and place it across the spoon right about the middle. Okay, I'm going to do that to three spoons right there. Oh, actually, I'm going to get started with the painting because I want to give it a little time to dry between coats. All right, I have other colors as well. I have a pink paint that I'm going to use. Give it a shake. Okay, I'm going to use this sponge for that. And just gonna okay. I want to use different colors. Certainly you can do it all in the one color. Do a little orange. Get a little paint on there. Okay, now I'll use a little yellow. You might be satisfied with one coat. Maybe you want to do a second coat. Okay, and we'll just put those to dry. Give them a few minutes to dry. Another option, another couple of options actually, would be if you want to make something taller, you could use a paint. This is a stick for stirring paint. So we got a paint stirrer. And then I also have a piece of molding. This is like a baseboard molding that was painted. All right. And this would be, something taller for the garden. So what you can do with this is to draw a picture on it. So this is for the vegetable garden, and I am going to draw a picture of a carrot on this white painted stirrer. Could color it in if you like. Just going to put some markings on it. A green marker. You can make some leaves up top. Okay, so there you go. You're growing some carrots. All right, on this one, what I'm going to do is draw a tomato. Okay, I did practice on the piece of scrap paper earlier before I did this. You might want to do that. All right, so I'm going to draw a tomato. I might draw a couple of tomatoes here since I have room. I actually color this in, as I have. Color this in red. So you could see it from a distance. Make it a little bigger. Okay. have here. And color that in. Okay, so there you go. We have tomatoes and carrot. I will show you again how I drew the carrot and the tomato. Okay, so you get the idea, and then you could just, color it in. Okay. Another option for something taller would be to use these are skewers and a couple of clothespins. All right, and for this I'm not going to draw anything. I'm just going to mark the name of the vegetable. All right, so this would be for pepper. Okay, and I might just color that in red because I'm going to be growing red peppers. Okay, and then I would just put that in the ground and attach that, and there you go. That could stand in the garden. All right, so we could do a pepper, and then I'm going to use this green marker because I will be growing cucumbers. cucumber, and I want to mark that green. Add a little color to it. Okay, and again, that could go in the right in the ground, and I'll just clip that on. There you go. So we have cucumber, pepper, tomato, and carrot. Move those out of the way. All right. And now I'm going to get back to these that I did earlier. And I kind of let them dry. Yep. And then I'm just going to remove the tape. Okay. So that's okay. And what I'm going to, this is going to be for zinnia. All right, I'll have some annuals this year, and I'm going to plant zinnia. I don't like the way that looks, so I'm just going to even it out a little bit. Okay, so when I get my zinnias started, I'll have that one, and then I'm gonna take this off. Okay, and this will be for Daisy. All right, and this one will be for Marigold. All right, there you go. So those are another option for your garden. Certainly, if you want to, you can decorate these a little bit. For example, you might want to do a happy face. There you go. Okay. All right, so you've got some smaller markers and some taller markers. A couple of options for you. Okay, happy gardening.